Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have created this traditional Indian wedding guest look with classic red lips and golden eyes. If you wanna know how I created this look, then keep watching. My face is already cleaned and moisturized. So I'm starting with Revlon Photoready primer. I like to blend it with Real Techniques buffing brush. If you want, you can use your fingers also. Applying the same primer on my eyelid as well and gently blending it with my fingers. Now applying Maybelline Fit Matte and Poreless foundation. I am applying it in vertical strokes all over my face with Real Techniques pointed foundation brush. Blending the foundation with a damp Real Techniques sponge so that everything looks nice and blended. Wherever I feel a little bit more coverage is needed, I am applying foundation there with the same sponge. Now applying Maybelline Fit Me concealer under my eyes in a triangular shape. And also around my mouth, center of forehead, bridge of nose, cupid's bow and under the cheekbone also. Blending the concealer in dabbing motion with the same sponge. Applying the same concealer on my eyelids as the eyeshadow base and blending it with pointed foundation brush. To set the base makeup, I am applying Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder all over my face. To start with the eye makeup, I am applying this light brown shade as my crease color. While blending it nicely, I am slightly flicking it outwards. Taking this chocolate brown shade, I am gently pushing it in the outer V of the eyelid and then blending it towards the crease. Now I am gonna apply this golden shade with my fingertip in the inner 2/3 section of the eyelid. With this small flat brush, I am applying the same color in the inner corner and gently taking it towards the crease. Now using this darker brown color in the outer V just to intensify the smokiness there. Now taking a clean brush, I am blending in the crease to blend all the harsh edges there. Once again applying the golden shade to re-intensify the color. Using this shade as the transition between brown and gold. To highlight the brow bone using the pearly white shade of the palette. Now dusting off all the fallouts. Applying the same pearly white shade to highlight the inner corner also. using Maybelline EYESTUDIO Gel liner in the upper waterline. And the same is using as eyeliner also. Today I am going for a sleek winged eyeliner. So first I am creating a thin line and then I'll create a wing in the corner. After curling the lashes, I am going to use Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara on both upper and lower lashes. This brown shade will be used to fill my brows. After brushing the brows nicely, I'm just filling all the gaps in the brow with a Real Techniques brow brush. To contour the cheeks, using the bronzer from the Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit by Makeup Revolution London. Applying the bronzer in the hollows of my cheeks and little bit in my hairline and along the jawline also. Using this golden highlighter from Makeup Revolution London palette to highlight the high points of my cheekbone. And also bridge of nose and Cupid's bow. To contour my nose, using the same bronze shade from Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit. I'm gonna use this peachy corally blush on the apple of my cheeks and then brushing it upwards the cheekbone. For lips, first using Femme Fatal lip liner from Essence to outline the lips. Then the lipstick is Ruby You by MAC. Finishing the look with a red bindi. And traditional earrings and bangles, and this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know your comments or queries in the comment section below. And don't forget to share, like and subscribe my channel for more videos. See you in the next video. Bye.